My fellow Decepticons, it is I, Starscreamzard here, bringing back today with another video, and today I've got an unboxing for you. Oh boy. So yeah, I just came back from vacation, and I bought some stuff, and this is one of them. I cannot wait to dig into this guy. I've been waiting like a week for it, essentially. So I don't have much planned other than let's get into this. Boom. Let me just get this cut. This is a big box, by the way. Oh, and there we go. Now just do this terribly because I'm a horrible person at unboxing these big boxes. There we go. Let's get this stuff out. Oh, and he's upside down. Okay. Let me just take this off real quick. Get my fingers in there. Oh dear. Set that down. Avoid that, please. Oh, and the edge just split what it is. Yep, there it is. Let's hide that. This is a really nice packaging. They really made sure this thing is not getting broken into or taken out of its packaging anytime soon. But as you can tell, it is a monster. And if you didn't already see what this was, oh, jeez. Yeah, I'm not carrying this box, by the way. I don't care. This is just the packaging, so I don't really care. I always destroy this type of box. But it is nice, and I really do like this. And I appreciate Monstars for doing this. Not sponsored, by the way. I don't know if I have to make that clear or not. But, yeah. This tape annoys me. I'm bad at this. And I'm a bit tired. What are you gonna do? Oh, there it is. Okay. And now for the grand review. If you didn't see it earlier. So I can pull this thing out. Not sure. Okay, let's just tear this piece off. I apologize for rattling on my desk. This is not ideal. Come on, you. Get out of there. Okay, go ahead. And there goes Hop. Whatever. She'll be fine. Okay, if you would be so kind as to remove yourself. Like I do with all my unboxings, I'm not trying to make this super fancy or whatever. I'm just trying to take out the figure and show you what it is. Oh boy. Now this is a beauty. I cannot friggin' wait to open this guy up. Front of the box. Here's the side of the box. And take out the back of the box. And then the other side, just a continuation of the front. And then the top and the bottom is just legal nonsense. Let's see. But there's the top for you, should you wish to see it. There we go. Taking the sides, it is not. I will be keeping this box. This is a great box. Holy cow. I did not think my desk would be this rattled. But you know what? It does not really matter in the slightest. So let's just slide this bad boy out of the box. Oh, he's beautiful. Now, if my sources are correct, this guy should not have any tape on him. So let's Steven's Toy Reviews this guy. He's clamped down. Say what you will about Monster Arts. They sure do package their things well. Probably my loudest review to date. Big plastic bits. Okay, let's do that then. And let's do Steven's Toy Reviews of this thing and see what breaks. Yeah. 3. Oh, he's got a little extra bit right there. Very nice. And let's see what happens. And it's the top of the tip. That's probably because I was roughhousing this thing to crap. Because I don't ever do this type of stuff. Oh, it's beautiful. It's everything that I could have ever hoped for in this figure. Let's get his tail out. Ooh. Very nice. He really has that new figure smell to him. Ooh. Okay. Oh, and it fell off again. I'm gonna put it in more. Come on, you. Okay. I think I got it. And there he is. An absolute beauty of a figure. I will be doing the full review on this guy soon, probably next week. But yeah. If you yourself would like to buy this figure, don't expect the tail to pop off on everything, on every copy of it. That was probably just my fault for not at all being gentle with this thing. But yeah, I mean, see you next week on the Orthochromatic Shin Godzilla review. That'll pretty much be all from me. If you like the video, like the video. If subscribed if you're not already. Join my Discord. And I will just see you guys next week. Bye-bye.